Well, February is a big month here on CBS 4, and there are traditionally several opportunities to spend money during the month of February. We're talking about buying a TV for the Super Bowl or maybe going out for that expensive Valentine's Day dinner. Well, today, Andy Mattingly from Forum Credit Union is here to talk about ways not to spend, but to save money this month.
Sure. So the first thing we have to ask about, what is the best way to save in February?
Well, the best way to save in February is probably look at your January credit card statements, and they're probably more on those balances than you anticipated because of all the holiday shopping. So think about consolidating those debts, get a lower rate, you have less monthly payment, paid off faster. So that's a big thing to do in February is consolidate some of your outstanding credit cards.
Probably got our W-2s, other ways to save this month?
File your taxes. If you have an easy tax return, you could actually start filing your tax return in early January. So if you're not going to pay, you don't need to wait till April 15th. Get your refund and you'll have some money to save.
When I think of buying a house, I somehow think of warmer weather, but you say this is a good time to start looking?
Yeah, start looking now, get your mortgage locked in. Rates are still pretty good, even with everything that's going on in the markets and the interest rates. Mortgage rates are still pretty good, so start looking now so you can get that house as soon as it gets warm.
You've got another way, and the last couple of days really works for this. You're talking about heating your home.
Right, right. Yeah, it hasn't been that cold that you needed to heat your home, but in February, traditionally, it's the coldest month of the year. So turn the thermostat down and bundle up, and that's a great way to save. The other thing is to think about is that, everyone's going to be going to Super Bowl parties. You can either go and buy something to take, or you can make something. It's always cheaper to make it than to wait till the last minute and buy it and have to take it.
Unless you keep messing up the recipe and have to buy it over.
That is true. That is true.
What about Valentine's Day? Everybody wants to do something nice for that certain someone, and the price always seems to add up.
Yeah, well, I'm going to give you a dichotomy here. Don't be in a hurry to pay full price, but don't wait till the last minute. And what I mean by that is start looking now. Every jewelry, flowers, there's always deals. So if you start looking now, you can find the right deal at the right price if you don't wait till the last minute.
So you're talking about spending, other ways to save when shopping?
Yeah, this is, if you look on the sale racks right now, they're probably all of the winter clothes. So if you need to update your wardrobe, now's a good time to do it instead of waiting till next fall when you're going to pay for everything full price.
And the TVs are all on sale now. Can we buy a TV because it's on sale? Can we buy everything when it's on sale?
Well, you can't buy everything when it's on sale. You need to look. And TVs are something that you really need to look and see if that President's Day sale or Super Bowl sale is really the best time, or if they're just trying to get you to buy a new TV because it's the winter time and we're spending more time in front of the TV. So you really want to check out those sales.
See, sitting next to Marianne has kind of rubbed off because I'm always tempted by the impulse buys now. I don't do it because you're a shopper.
I mean, I'm not impulsive. Don't say that out loud.
You like a good deal, though.
I do like a good deal.
Well, and good deals, if you look for them, and I think that you probably do look for good deals, and you don't just go out and buy the first thing you see, and that's the best way to save money.
Is that for my husband who's watching?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Andy.
Where can people find you, Andy?
At forumcu.com.
All right, thank you, Andy, so much. Well, let's look at